Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox this. We called it again, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox this Minecraft mop. Hi guys, like
Don't do it again. Let's go again.
hi guys, welcome back to hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to
Our channel.
hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and we have people. We have one more people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, hi guys, today.
No.
It's like this, ba. I act like you have, like you. Hi guys, today I'm gonna open this with my favorite person.
And this one.
Can you come here?
No.
Hi.
Why? What you want?
Come here. We need to open, and here is he, guys. Just now he fell down from the stairs. We don't have stairs, but I pretend, okay? He fell down from the stairs. I got Creeper, and you got
Bucket.
what is that? This is not a name. This is so
Bucket.
Look at the nose, guys. It's like a SpongeBob. It's just joking. And he got Evoker. Evoker! Don't lie! You little... Where are you? Oh, Flip! Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay guys, let's go open it in 3, 2, 1, go. Ano ba yan? Open it, will you? What is it?
I'm so tired.
And guys, let's go open this. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
If you fall down and then I like it's okay. Then
Let's go open it. Let's open it. I got Creeper and you got
a Victor.
I showed this not the name. Already the name. Oi! Evoker.
A Victor, I say already.
Let's go open it, guys. Let's go open and
and we have how much shorts? And we have another shorts? And we have a shot!
and then let's go 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And it's not dinosaur anymore. It's a cute little creeper.
I took this one for this one. My sword.
Yes, give me privacy.
Guys, the hand is moving. You must press on top of the hand. Head. That's not a plastic!
Then what is this?
Plastic!
Now look at mine, guys.
Why you already broke it?
And he got the... Where's Evoker? Oh, this one is so cute.
And this is so cute.
This is like... Guys, we're gonna try this jelly bean, okay? My auntie bought it, and then let's try this lemon flavor. I think so, lemon. But he don't like lemon. He says so pangit.
Let me try. If
Yung-
it's that. No. That's yours. I take mine. Already finished.
Of course, because I eat all the lemon. You finish like a duck. Alright, let's show to the camera. No, you duck face this one, ba? And we got this. And we got this.
3, 2, 1.
Don't make any face, okay? So funny. Mm. Yeah, I got stuck here.
I already finished. Yeah, Johnny, yes.
And let's go try this. Ah!
I'm the blue.
Alright, let's try blue, guys. You guys see what color is this? Of course, it's blue.
It's not my class.
You say blue to your class.
I think green.
Well, I see.
Show it.
Why? Then why you change? Guys, I got this.
No.
It doesn't stay. It's just that like. What is wrong with you? Okay, guys, let's go. This is the camera. 3, 2, 1. Show them to the camera. 3, 2, 1. It's in the camera. It's in the camera. 3, 2, 1. I'll wait for it melt first.
Where? Get it. Like straw. No!
Right. My bed!
Three,
What's wrong with you?
2, 1. Already done. 3, 2, 1, go. How you got it? Why?
Oh yeah, ASMR please. It's Jovel. Nice. Give me some water.
I'm already done.
Sino siya ang lakas ng Sino siya ang lakas ng dati? Lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating. Sino siya? Mabangis ng gumiling talagang manggigil ka. Galing-galing mo. Yalaw na gusto ko. Bibiigilin. Oops! Wrong lyrics. That's why you laugh. Marco Flex. Let's do the same number. 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Okay, I have to think. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Do it. 3. What number you pick? Don't say it.
One.
Don't say it. I said just say the number like nothing. Okay, 3. Do the number. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Have to be different number. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not like that. Okay, again. 3, 2, 1.
I don't know how to play that.
Yeah!
What I do? Wow.
Ako to joke lang yun, diba? Guys, it's green.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.